Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before the video starts, I just wanted to show you this clip real quick. This was actually supposed to be part one of my Target hauls. I had two of them for you, but I lost some of the footage where I showed everything in detail. So I'm just going to show you this really quick and just do a voiceover. Basically, I picked up some toilet paper, some razors. There were some IBOTTA rebates for them. They may be still available. The gift cards are not. What I did was I purchased and then I got gift cards back. I rolled them over into my next order, which as you can see, I picked up some candy for the Easter baskets for my husband and the kids. The dots were on Cartwheel for 20% off. The Justins were on sale and there was an IBOTTA rebate for 25 cents back each, which dropped them down to $1.25. The Sour Punch, which are still available on IBOTTA and on the Cartwheel, after both rebates, they came down to 40 cents each. So like I said, they are still available. So check that out if you like candy, because obviously Easter is now over, but they make a great, they were really great Easter basket fillers for such a low price. Picked up some of the Clairol Color Crave for my daughter and I to try out. There was also a $2 rebate for that. And then I also picked up just a few items from the Dollar Spot. I also picked up sort of like a generic Fitbit for my son. That was $10. Some slime that was from the Dollar Spot as well. And also these little succulents, they were $3. And a little dustpan with a brush, some pencils, and that was basically it. So I just wanted to show you this really quick because some of these deals are still available, so definitely check out your Cartwheel and your IBOTTA app. So now on to the next video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have yet another Target haul for you. I know the other one was just the non-food items, but this one is some food items as well as non-food. The other Target food haul will be with my monthly grocery haul, and this will be included in my total for my month as well for my groceries. But I just wanted to include all of this stuff together just to show you what a great deal this was today. So what I did yet again, was the grocery deal where you buy $50 worth of groceries and you get $10 back in a gift card. I also had the gift card from the previous order that I did, or haul that I did as well. So I had two, so then I got two gift cards. I had a bunch of printable coupons. There were a lot of IBOTTA rebates this month and for this week as well from Target. This is, I think I said in my other haul as well, that this was, I think, my highest money back for IBOTTA yet since I've been a member of them. So like I always say, definitely join my team down below so we can all start saving money together. I think I'm up around $80 for the month. It is March 31st, so this will be into a new month now. But you can't beat just getting $80 back just for shopping for things that you're going to use anyway. And a lot of these things are items that we use all the time, and a couple other fun items as well, especially because it was Easter and spring break. But anyway, so let me just get right into this so I can show you what I got before I keep going on and on. So basically everything here, I'm going to go through it one by one, but everything you see here on this table only cost me $53, all of this. So let's jump right in over here. So these, we have not purchased these before, but I figure just for fun, and the kids and my husband love, some sweet treats once in a while. These do have milk and egg in them, so, I know you guys know that my daughter and I eat, she eats mostly vegan. I am totally vegan. So if you eat vegan as well, these are not. Anyways, so these are the Hannah and Max cookie chips. And there was a Cartwheel, and also a lot of this stuff, there were some Cartwheel discounts as well, either a percentage off or, some things were like $1 off or 25 cents off. So always when you go to Target, use your Cartwheel app, check your IBOTTA, and between the two, sometimes you can get a lot of items for free or really low price. So anyway, so these were $3.49. There was a Cartwheel discount as well as IBOTTA gave $1 back, and you could buy multiples of them. So they came down to, I believe it was $1.44 each. If the price is different, I'm trying to go by memory, but if the price is different, I'll just put it down below for you guys. So these were only $1.44 each, and it's a decent sized bag, 5 ounces. I got 2 of the chocolate chip. I got 1 of the, what is this, cinnamon sugar. So we got those, and then back here, this was a little bit of a treat for myself, but it was on Ibotta, so I figured what the heck, and like I said, I saved so much money today. This is the dry sparkling, it's sort of like a seltzer sort of drink, or sparkling water. It is the lavender flavor, and I wanted to give this a try. I've had it once before. I think the one I tried last time was cucumber, which was very refreshing. It is a 4-pack. So they were $4.99. There was $1 back on Ibotta, so dropped it down to $3.99. Can't beat that, less than $1 bottle. Then I got 2 of these 6-packs of the Diet Pepsi. Now this is not something, we really don't drink soda in this house. But I bought these for my husband, just for, he can have a little treat once in a while. So we got 2 of the 6-packs. They were originally $2.99. There was a Cartwheel, on the Cartwheel app, they were 50% off, dropping it down to $1.50. And then there was, I believe it was $1 back on Ibotta for each 6-pack. So that brings it to 50 cents per 6-pack. So that was an unbelievable, deal. I just couldn't pass that up. Like I said, not something we usually we drink in the house, but just, for that price, you just couldn't pass it up. And he will just have, so he can have these once in a while. And they are the mini cans as well. And then it seemed like I got a lot of drinks, but there were a lot of great deals. I got 2 of these, the Honest Tea. I think these were, I believe, $1.49. And there was on the Cartwheel app, I believe it was, I want to say it was 75 cents back. So that means they were about 75 cents each. I drank one on the way home from the store because I was really thirsty. So one is already gone. And let's see. So then, also got the KeVita Master Brew Kombucha. I bought 4 of those, and they were on Cartwheel, I believe, for 30% off. There was also a Ibotta rebate as well, which I don't remember the exact price. I think it dropped it down to less than $2 a bottle, I believe, maybe around $1.50. I'll double check the price, and I'll put the price here for you guys, but really cheap, because if you guys are kombucha drinkers, you know that this stuff can get a little pricey, so I usually only buy it when I can find some really good deals. So, and this raspberry lemon is really nice. Also the Suja kombucha, I bought one of those the other day, showed in my other haul. The other one was the berry. I got this time the peach ginger. I have not tried the other one yet, so I don't know how these are compared to the KeVita brand, which I've had before. This was also, you could only get 1 rebate back on Ibotta, so I just got 1. So there's an Ibotta rebate as well as Cartwheel. And the Suja juices, same thing as the other haul. They were on Cartwheel for percentage off, as well as I think it was 65 cents back each on Ibotta. And then over here, I just needed some baking soda. I know, kind of a little boring, but I also wanted to make sure I hit that $50 mark for the groceries to get the $10. And these were on Cartwheel they were 59 cents and then 5% back with the Cartwheel. And that's about what I usually pay for baking soda anyway. So, that was sort of just, not really that big of a savings. And then I picked up 3 more packs of the Sour Punch, because they were on the Ibotta app again. On the Ibotta, you got 40 cents back, and with the Cartwheel app, they were, I think, 20% off. I think after the Ibotta and the Cartwheel, it dropped them down to 40 cents each. So, and they're pretty decent size, and I'm just gonna probably keep these on hand for, when I want to give the kids like a little sweet surprise or whatever, because I already put the other ones in their Easter basket, so I'll probably put these aside for another time. And then I picked up some more of the Justin's dark chocolate peanut butter cups, which PS are vegan if you are vegan. And I actually heard that they're coming out now pretty soon. I don't know, well, I don't know exactly when, but I heard they're coming out with ones with cashew butter and almond butter coming soon. Looking forward to those. So I got another 5 of these because these were on Cartwheel. I believe the Cartwheel and the IBOTTA. So I got money back on those, which I think dropped them down to just about $1 each. And let me see. Oh, I don't think I showed you these yet. I got 5 of these. They're sort of like, we have had these before. They're like dried potatoes. They're great to keep on hand. I keep them, in the pantry. Like it says, family size, serves 7. And they're just basically like dehydrated potatoes. There's no oils or anything in them. You just put hot water in them. Let it absorb the hot water for like 10-15 minutes. Put it in the frying pan. Fry them up. Ready to go. You can add veggies, whatever. Makes a great, quick breakfast. So I got 5 of those. They were $1 each, 25 cents back on I think it was the Cartwheel app, and which brought them to 75 cents each. I picked up 2 more of the So Delicious almond milk with cashew. Because like I said, this was a really great deal. They were $2.50, had a $1 coupon off of 2, and then 20% off with the Cartwheel app as well. And no Ibotta rebate on this, but still I think that drops it, to around $2, which is usually what I spend on almond milk. And then this Truvia nectar, never tried this before. And the only reason really I bought this was because this is basically a moneymaker. If you're not familiar with the couponing and stuff, a moneymaker is just sometimes you buy something that the coupon exceeds the amount of the cost of the item, or the rebates if you use Ibotta, and it's basically like they're paying you to take the item out of the store, so what I usually say. So this was $2.99. There was a, let's see, $1.50 back on the Cartwheel, and then $2 back on the Ibotta app. So basically, it's like just about 50 cents money maker. You're basically making 50 cents when you buy this item, and you can only buy one, otherwise I would have bought multiples of them. So we got just one of those. And then back here I got some Suave shampoos. I got 2 of these rose oil, which I'm looking forward to trying. They're new. I love the smell of rose. I got 1 of the conditioner and of the rose oil, and 1 of the coconut oil conditioner. I think I meant to get 2 and 2, but I don't know. I must have just grabbed the wrong one. Not a big deal. So these were on sale for $1.99. And then I had a $1 coupon, printable coupons from coupons.com. That's usually where I get most of my printables. When I do couponing, because I know I've said in past videos I don't always do a lot of couponing, but this was just a really good week for it, and I had extra time. So anyway, there was $1 off of each, and then there was also a $1 back on the Ibotta, which I believe makes it free. And then there was also, Target was doing buy 2 of these and get 1 body wash. I stupidly made the mistake of only grabbing 1 body wash. I'll see if I can contact them and maybe they'll give me the other body wash for free. And then actually when I uploaded this body wash, it actually came up as another rebate for $1 back. So actually they paid me $1 to take this out of the store. So this was a $1 money maker as well. And then the last, no, actually not last things, but the next things from Suave as well. I got these hairspray, natural hairsprays. I think these are new. I've never tried these before. Yep, new, sorry. From the Professionals line. I usually use another one from Suave, and it's like a natural hold, removable hold. But anyway, so these were, I believe, $3.99 each. And I had a $1 coupon off of each from coupons.com. A $1, $1 from Ibotta. So that dropped it down to, I believe $2 each. If I'm getting the prices wrong, I'll put it down below. Actually, I believe it was, if you purchase 2 of these, you got the body wash for free, not the shampoo and conditioner. Sorry. But anyway, so I got 4 of those. So good to stock up on that. I picked up another one of these Clairol Color Crave hair makeup because they were on sale for $9.99, and then Ibotta put the rebate. The other day when I did it, it was at $2 back, and now it went up to $3. I was able to do it a second time. So I figured, like I said, I was saving so much money today. I would pick up another one of these. It'd be fun for my daughter and I to try. And I did open the purple one, and there's actually quite a lot of product in it, so I think it'll last us a while. And then the last thing are these eyebrow pencils. I bought multiple colors of browns, some dark, mediums, because I don't know how these work. Basically, I got these all for free, and they were, let's see, they were $2.99 each. No, $3.99 each. I had several coupons for when you bought 2 CoverGirl items, you got $3 off. Or no, $6 off, so $3 off of each one. And then Cartwheel was doing a 25% off of each one as well. So basically, I got every single one of these for absolutely free. So that was everything. I hope I didn't make it sound too complicated. It really isn't. It's so easy, you know, to save money. And, you know, I try to give you guys as many tips as I can, you know, and sometimes, you know, sometimes I watch other YouTubers too, and, you know, and go on websites and learn things from them as well. So we're all here to help each other out, save money. So basically all of this stuff here that's on the table, like I was saying before, came to my grand total after using my printable coupons and the Cartwheel app and the Ibotta app. After all of that was deducted, and the 2 gift cards, I only spent $53.23 for all of these items. And as some of you may know, a lot of these items can be pretty pricey, from, you know, like we got the hair color, you know, the almond milks, the kombucha especially, you know, the soda. A lot of this stuff is higher price things that, like I said, I normally wouldn't buy, but, you know, this was just an unbelievable deal today. Hopefully a lot of these deals are still available when I upload this, so you guys can get them as well. So as always, you know, like I always say, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button so you know when I am uploading. And definitely click that link. Join my Ibotta team so you can start saving money as well. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye.